ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Vedanta Paribhasha, page number 34, we have to see the Tippani. Tippani was there, one number Tippani on the word Ekatra. परोक्षत्व अपरोक्षत्वयोर एकत्र चैतन्ये वृत्तौ न विरोधः. वृत्तौ means परोक्षत्व अपरोक्षत्वयोः एकत्र चैतन्ये वृत्तौ. वृत्तौ is what?
Thought. Vartanam.
Vritti here means to stay there in that locus. Bhutala vritti ghataha. Bhutala vritti ghataha means Ghata is on Bhutalam. Ghata is on Bhutala. That Ghata is called Bhutala Vritti. This Pata is Hasta Vritti. Ekatra Vritti. Ekatra Vritti is given here. Ekatra means Ekatra Chaitanya Vritti. In Chaitanya, these two are together. Parokshatva, Aparokshatva. Parokshatva, Aparokshatva yoho. Ekatra Chaitanya Vrittau. If they both are staying together in Chaitanya, there is no Virodha, Siddhanti said. That Ekatra is now explained in Tippani. Mule घटावच्छिन्नाकाशो मठावच्छिन्नाकाशात् न विद्यते विभाजकयोर घटमठयोर एकदेशस्थत्वात्. घटावच्छिन्न akasha is Mule means in the Mula Grantha this was mentioned. This was mentioned on page number 24. You note down. घटावच्छिन्न आकाशो मठावच्छिन्न आकाशात न भिद्यते. Because in matha, if you keep ghata, matha means a room, let us say. In that, if there is ghata, they are ekadesha. They are in the same desha. Ekadesha statvat. Mathavachinna akasha and ghatavachinna akasha are same. Na vidyate. Because the vibhajakayoho ghatamatayoho ekadesha statvat. They both are in the same desha. Okay. Evam. Antakarana vritti घटयोः अपि एकदेशस्थत्वान् नोपधेय भेदकत्वम् इति उक्तम् अधस्तात्. Evam, in the same way, just as घटावच्छिन्न आकाश मठावच्छिन्न आकाश एकदेशस्थत्वात् न विद्यते, evam अंतःकरण वृत्ति घटयोः. Here, what is the meaning of vritti?
Thought.
Here it is hot modification. Antakarana vritti, whatever we understand as Antakarana parinama. Antakarana vritti and ghata, both of them, tayoho api ekadeshasthatvat, they are also in ekadeshasthatvat, na upadeya bhedakatvam iti uktam adhasthat. Therefore, there is no upadheya bhedakatvam. There is no bheda between upadheya. Upadheya means upahita. If antakarana vritti and ghata are in ekadesha, then their upadheya, in them upadheya bhedakatvam na. What was the upadheya mentioned? Do you remember? अंतःकरण वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न chaitanya and ghatavachhinna chaitanya. If antakarana vritti and ghata are in ekadesha, then tad avachinna chaitanya, both are also in ekadesha. Therefore, they are one. Now, upadeya bhedakatvam means upadeya is one. This was said earlier. Uktam adhastat. तथा च पर्वतवन्योरपि एकदेशस्थ उपाधिद्वययोर् नोपाधेय चैतन्य भेदकत्वम् इति कुतः परोक्षत्वापरोक्षत्वे एकस्मिन्नेव चैतन्ये संभवतः. पर्वतवन्योः अपि एकदेशस्थ उपाधिद्वययोः. In Parvat Desha, one is there. Yes. So Parvatavanyyoho api ekadeshastha upadhidvayoho. In the ekadesha, if both upadhis are there, then na upadheya chaitanya bhedakatvam. Upadheya is the chaitanya. Our previous vakya is now parallel to this one. Upadheya chaitanya bhedakatvam na. So Parvatavachhinna chaitanya and Vanyavachhinna chaitanya should be one. इति कुतः परोक्षत्वापरोक्षत्वे एकस्मिन्नेव चैतन्ये संभवतः इति आक्षेपं मनसि निधाय उत्तरयति. So Purvapakshi is saying this. In Parvata, one is there. Therefore, Parvata Desha and Vani Desha are one. But the Upahita Chaitanya, Upadheya Chaitanya, they are not in the same desha. Na upadheya chaitanya bhedakat parvatavanyoho pi ekadeshastha na upadheya chaitanya bhedakatvam. Upadheya chaitanya, there is no bheda. Therefore, how you say one is paroksha, another is aparoksha. Parokshatva aparokshatve ekasmin neva chaitanya kutah sambhavatah. How they are together, both of them, they should be similar. If such akshepa is there from Purvapakshi, iti akshepam manasi nidhaya Siddhanti uttarayati. Siddhanti is responding if such akshepa would come. So in the Moolam, Parvatanshe aparokshatvam, Vanyamshe parokshatvam. And therefore, tad vritti avachedaka bhedena, Chaitanya also has parokshatva, aparokshatva. But they both can coexist. That is what Siddhanti said. So see further in Tippani. पर्वतो वन्या वन्नी इत्यादिना, पर्वतो वन्यमान इत्यादिना। तथा च अयम घटः इत्यादौ घटावच्छिन्नम अंतःकरणावच्छिन्नं च चैतन्यम एकमेव। अयं घटः इत्यादौ, इन दिस अयं घट ज्ञानम, घटावच्छिन्नम, सी सिद्धांत इज एक्सप्लेनिंग, when we say ayam ghatah, ayam ghatah means aham ghatam janami, ayam ghatah aham janami, aham pramata is there always. When prameya jnanam is there, pramata is also there. So that pramata is antakaranavacchinnam chaitanyam, and prameya is घट, so घटावच्छिन्न chaitanya, घटावच्छिन्नं अंतःकरणावच्छिन्नं च चैतन्यम एकमेव. So now when घट ज्ञानम takes place, अंतःकरणावच्छिन्न chaitanya pramata, from that अंतःकरण vritti will go, घटाकार vritti will become one with प्रमेयावच्छिन्न chaitanya ekam. In case of Parvata and Vanni, पर्वतकारा वृत्तिस्तु चक्षुः सन्निकर्षात् जाता. पर्वत आकार वृत्ति happens because of pratyaksh jnanam, so chakshu sannikarsa is there, chakshu sannikarshad jata. That vritti is bahya gochara, it goes out, bahirdesha. And tadavacchinnam chaitanyam is parvata deshiyam, that chaitanya is in parvata desha. Whereas vanni jnanam, how it is taking place?
Vyapti jnana.
Means through anumanam.
Anumanam.
So Siddhant said, Parvatam pashyami, Vannim
Anuminomi.
Anuminomi, he does anuman. Vritti is to Vyapti, vritti is Vyapti Jnana, and therefore that vritti is not Bahya Gochara, it is Hridaya Deshiya Chaitanya Avachedika. That vritti doesn't have to go out. So one is Bahirmukha, Bahirdesha Gamana vritti, and another is Hridaya Deshiya. And therefore, ataha parokshatva aparokshatvayoho avirodha. So that same antakaranavachinna chaitanya is there. One aspect goes out, does pratyaksha parvata. Another aspect is within, does vyapti jnanam and anumanam of vanni. Therefore, one is aparoksha parvata, paroksha vanni. Therefore, there is no virodha. So virodha is resolved. Further now, एवं ज्ञान प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य प्रयोजकम अभिधाय प्रमेयगतस्य तस्य तद आह. एवं ज्ञान प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य प्रयोजकम. So earlier 2 points were mentioned. One was jnanam is pratyaksham. Another was घट is pratyaksha. Ghata is pratyaksha or not?
Pratyaksha.
This ghata is pratyaksha or not? Is pratyaksha.
Yes. Yes.
This is pratyaksha. So ghata is pratyaksha. Ghata jnanam is
Pratyaksha.
Pratyaksha jnanam.
so pratyaksha shabda vyavahara is in both jnanam also as well as in prameya. So that's now you see this pankti. Evam jnana pratyakshasya prayojakam abhidhaya. Jnanam is pratyaksha. This part is explained. How? What is the prayojaka? So he said, prayojaka means what is the lakshana to say that this jnanam is pratyaksha. So first he said, antakaran vritti avachinna chaitanya. Second point was, it should be yogya. And third was
Vartamana.
Vartamana.
vartamana. Yesterday we saw this. Antakarana avachinna chaitanya, which is yogya, because dharma, adharma are not yogya. Samskaras are not yogya. So their lakshana will not go. And it also should be vartamana, not smriti, etc. So that portion is complete. Prayojakam abhidhaya, having explained that, prameya gatasya tasya, second number tippani, pratyakshatvasya. Tat means prayojakam aha. This tippani is very helpful because whenever sarvanama padas are used, tasya tadaha. Tasya tadaha means tasya pratyakshatvasya prayojakam aha. Ghatadehe iti. Now in Moolam says Ghatader. Before that you see one number tippani. This way, Dvitiye Ghatadehe iti adhikah patho drishyate pustakantareshu such a yuktaraha. That additional reading is yuktaraha, means is better, is appropriate. So how the patha should be here? Dvitiye ghatader vishayasya pratyakshत्वम tu pramatra abhinnam abhinnatvam pramatra abhinnatvam. Dvitiye because prathama was jnana pratyakshatvam. Dvitiya is vishayagata pratyakshatvam, ghatagata pratyakshatvam. That's why dvitiya word is required there. See tippani. Such a big tippani there just for a word which was not there. King Jnanagata ityadina vikalpya adye praman chaitanya ityadina dattottaratvat atra dvitiya kalpasya nirakarishymanatvat iti. King Jnanagata ityadi. So there was a vikalpa created earlier. King Jnanagata pratyakshatvam athva vishayagata pratyakshatvam. In this way, vikalpa was there. King Jnanagata ityadina vikalpya. So two vikalpas were created. Adye, first vikalpa, pramana chaitadina dattottaratvat. What is the samasa? Datta eva uttaraha, dattottaraha. Actually, vakya will be pramana chaitanya ityadina uttaram or uttaro dattaha. Uttara is given. So he says datta uttaratvat. Atra nirakarishymanatvat. Dvitiya vikalpa about Vishayagata or Prameyagata Pratyakshatvam, it's Nirakaranam. Nirakarishyamanan means he is going to answer that. Nirakaranam here is not in the form of refutation. अत्र प्रत्यक्षत्वं तु इत्यस्य प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकम् इत्यर्थः. What is प्रत्यक्षत्वं? प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकम्. तथैव उपक्रांतत्वात्, because started in that way. प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकम्. So here विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वं, this much is in मूलम. So how you should read? द्वितीये घटादेर प्रयोजकम्. In this way the vakya should be understood. द्वितीये घटादेर विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकं तु प्रमात्र भिन्नत्वम means प्रमातृ अभिन्नत्वम is called प्रमात्र भिन्नत्वम. प्रमातृ अभिन्नत्वम. Further in Tippani, let us first complete this Tippani. Atra idam uhyam. This is what you should think about. Means this is what is the point that is explained here. Uhyam is for uhapoha. This is how you should think. Ayang ghataha iti. Jnanamapi pratyaksham. Jnana vishayo ghatopi pratyakshah. In case of ayam ghataha, jnanam is pratyaksham. Ghata is also pratyaksha. This I gave the example. So ayam ghataha, jnanam is also pratyaksham. Jnana vishay is also pratyaksha. Ghata. Adyasya ghata jnanam pratyaksham iti vyapadeshaha. Adyasya vyapadesha katham. Vyapadesha means how the statement will be. Ghata jnanam pratyaksham. This vakya will become. This is called vyapadesha. Dvitiyasya ghataha pratyakshaha iti. So you see in the first one, ghata jnanam is pratyaksham. Dvitiya is ghataha pratyakshaha. Tatra jnanagata pratyaksha prayojakam uktam. Vishayagatasya tasya prayojakam idanim aha. This is simple. I am assuming you are able to understand. Tatra jnanagata pratyaksha prayojakam uktam. What is the jnanagata pratyaksha prayojakam? You already said. Vartamana and Yogya. Vishayagatasya tasya. Vishayagatasya tasya means Vishayagatasya tasya.
Pratyakshatuam.
Pratyakshatvasya.
Yeah, yes.
Pratyakshatvasya prayojakam idanim aha. Now they will say. Pramatra bhinnatvam iti. Atra यद्यपि घटादेर विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वम प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान विषयत्वम. अंडरलाइन दिस पोर्शन. विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वम किम? प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान विषयत्वम विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वम. When we say ghata is pratyaksha, means ghata is vishaya of pratyaksha jnana. Therefore, Vishaya is pratyaksha means it is pratyaksha jnana vishaya. घटादेर विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वं ज्ञानस्य तु प्रत्यक्षत्वं पूर्वोक्तमेव एंड ज्ञानस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वं पूर्व उक्तमेव ज्ञान प्रत्यक्षत्व इज ऑलरेडी सेड अनुमित्यादि ज्ञानानां चित्वेन स्वामी प्रत्यक्ष चैतन्य विषयान चैतन्य अभेद अभावात् एव अनुमिति विषये नाति प्रसंगः. Who wants to explain this part? Anumitya. Can you hear what I'm saying?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
So what I said was, अनुमित्यादि ज्ञानानां चित्वेन स्वांशे प्रत्यक्षत्वे अपि, when anumanam takes place, anumiti adi jnananam, adi means upamiti, shabda, etc. Chitvena swamshe pratyakshatve api, because that vritti is pratyaksha because it is taking place in antakarana. It does not have bahirdesha gamanam. प्रमाण चैतन्य विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्य अभेद अभावात. बट प्रमाण चैतन्य मीन्स अंतःकरण वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य एंड विषय अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य, they did not become one. अभेद अभावात, because vritti is not able to go there where the vishaya is. Vishaya is not known where it is, and therefore abhavadeva अनुमिति विषये न अति प्रसंगः. अनुमिति विषये प्रत्यक्षत्वं न, अनुमिति विषये प्रत्यक्षत्व is not there of ज्ञानम, therefore there is no अति व्याप्ति. तथापि विषयस्य अपरोक्ष्यं संविद अभेदात्, विषयस्य अपरोक्ष्यं, विषय becoming अपरोक्ष, विषयस्य अपरोक्ष्यं संविद अभेदात्, in the samvid there is abheda. So Vishaya is considered as aparoksha when samvid means the Chaitanya, Pramana avachina Chaitanya and Vishaya avachina Chaitanya, when they become one. That samvid means the two Chaitanya, when they become one, that is called Vishayasya aparoksham. Where it is said, iti vivarane, Vishaya pratyaksha lakshanattvena, प्रमात्र भेदस्य एव उक्तत्वात्, एवं उक्तम इति तत्वम. Because we saw already earlier, this Tikakar has written Tika on Panchapadika, not Tikakar, means this Granthakara. And therefore, certain sentences and vichara from Panchapadika and such Grantha he has taken here. So this Pankti is from Vivarana. And there, with the help of this line, it is established what is the lakshana for Vishaya to be pratyaksha. Vishaya pratyaksha lakshanatvam is given. What? Vishayasya aparoksham samvida vedat. There only it is mentioned this much, but you should understand rest of the thing. and therefore pramatra abhedasya eva uktatvat evam uktam. Pramata becomes abhinna with prameya. Not pramata becomes one with prameya, pramatra vachinna chaitanya becomes one with prameya vachinna chaitanya. Iti tattvam. This is the essence. Okay. Now, tika. Tu shabdena. Are you all following what is said?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Tu shabdena. What is the prashna?
Yes, Swamiji, I don't understand. Tathapi vishayasya apaloksyam samvit abhedat, this sentence.
This sentence is a quotation from Vivarana, which is on Panchapadika. So he just has put this much. Tathapi vishayasya aparoksham samvid abhedat iti vivarane. So what is said in this Vivarana Grantha, that vishayasya aparoksham is because of samvid abhedat. So in Anumiti, samvid abheda is not there. Samvid bheda abhava is there. That is the previous line. Chaitanya abheda abhavadeva, right? And therefore
Yes,
Lakshana
okay.
will not be there. Whereas here, samvid abheda is there. Therefore Lakshana will go there.
Okay, thank you, Swamiji.
Tu shabdena in tika. Tu shabdena indriya janya jnana vishayatvam, vishaya pratyakshatvam, ityadi tal lakshana nirasaha. Tu shabda. Tu shabda is there. Pratyakshatvam tu in moolam. That tu shabda is tu shabdena indriya janya jnana vishayatvam. Vishaya pratyakshatvam ityadi tal lakshana nirasaha. So indriya janya jnana vishayatvam is pratyakshatvam. This is how generally we would say. What is ghata having pratyakshatvam? Indriya janya jnana vishayatvam. But remember, Vedanti has never said indriya janya jnanam is pratyaksham. Nyaya darshan has used this indriyartha sannikarsha janya jnanam pratyaksham. Vedanti's definition of pratyaksha itself is different. So pratyakshatvam, Siddhanti says two. Two means not that definition of Nayayika. Indriya janya jnana vishayatvam, vishaya pratyakshatvam, ityadi tal lakshana. That lakshana nirasa is done by that two. Then what is the lakshana according to you? Pramatra abhinnatvam. Then somebody will say, why not use indriya janya jnana vishayatvam? What is wrong in that lakshana? So see tippani, tika. Mano rupa indriya janyanumiti jnana vishaye ativyapte. After vishaye, if you want, you put khandakara for clarity. Manorupa indriya janya anumiti jnana. According to Nyaya, mana is indriya or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. So manorupa indriya. Indriya janya anumiti jnanam. For third number tippani you see, they have given Nyayamate manasaha indriyatvat tajanya anumiti vishaye parmanu adav. For parmanu, let us say somebody does anumanam, and that karana is Vyapti Jnanam, but Indriya is also there. So it is Indriya Janyam. Indriya Karanakam is not said, but it is Indriya Janyam, Manojanyam. So Manojanya Anumiti for Paramanu, and Mana is Indriya. So if you say Indriya Janya Jnana Vishayatvam Pratyakshatvam, then Paramanu will become Pratyaksha. But Paramanu is not Pratyaksha according to Nyaya. Therefore, to avoid that Ativyapti in Paramanu becoming Pratyaksha, this Indriya Janya Jnana Vishayatvam Pratyakshatvam, this Lakshana Siddhanti doesn't accept. Even though Siddhanti doesn't accept Mana itself as Indriya. So, it is not Indriya Janya. If Anumana is there, it is not Indriya Janya, it is out. But still, Siddhanti has his definition. What is that? Pramatra Bhinnatvam. Tika. Ghatader Vishayasya iti Anushajyate. Pramatra Bhinnatvam Ghatader Vishayasya means Prameya. Ghatadi is Vishaya Prameya. So, Pramata and Prameya becoming one. Pramata and Prameya becoming one means Pramatra Chaitanya and Prameya Chaitanya becoming one. Pramata never becomes one with Prameya. Otherwise, what is the problem? See, in Tika they have given. Nanu Vishayasya Ghatadehe Pramatra Bhinnatvam Uchyate Tad Avachinna Chaitanyasya va. Is Vishaya, which is Ghatadi, they become non-different from Pramata, Pramatra Bhinnatvam Uchyate, or Tadavachinna Chaitanyasya Abhinnatvam Uchyate. Na Adyaha. The Ghatadi is Jada, Pramata is Chetana. Is Chaitanyavan, so it is Chetana. So na Adyaha. Tasya Jadatvena Tattva Asambhavat. Ghatadi is Jada, and it cannot become one with Pramata. Tattva Asambhavat means Pramatratva Asambhavat. Na Dvitiyaha. Second, he says, if Ghatadi Avachinna Chaitanya and Pramatra Avachinna Chaitanya, they become one, then what is the apatti? Aham Manushya iti pratitihi syad. Aham Manushya, it should be Aham Ghataha. What is given in your tika?
Aham manushyaha iti pratitivat aham ghataha.
That Aham Ghataha should be the pratiti. Aham Manushya iti pratitivat Aham Ghataha iti pratitisya. So Aham Manushya iti, you have to add pratitivat Aham Ghataha iti pratitisya. Aham Manushya pratiti has no virodha. Aham Ghataha, this has virodha. Nacha sa upalabhyate. Upalabhyate cha tad viruddham. Aham Ghataha, this pratiti is never there. Aham Manushya, such pratiti is there. So nacha sa upalabhyate cha tad viruddham. How? Aham imam pashyami iti bheda pratitihi. Aham imam ghatam pashyami. Such bheda pratiti is there. Abheda pratiti is not there. So then how can you say there is abheda between Ghatavachinna Chaitanya and Pramata Avachinna Chaitanya if abheda pratiti is not there? Bheda pratiti is there and you say Chaitanya is one. Atah katham vishayasya pramatra abheda iti shankate. How there could be abheda between Vishaya, Prameya and Pramata? इति शंकते इन मूलम। ननु कथं घटादेः अंतःकरणावच्छिन्न चैतन्याभेदः? हाउ घटादि and अंतःकरण अवच्छिन्न chaitanya has abheda? Means we are discussing about chaitanya, we are not discussing about ghata becoming one with pramata. अहम इमं पश्यामि इति भेद अनुभव विरोधात् इति चेत, अहम इमं पश्यामि, so aham is different, imam or idam whatever is different, so bheda anubhava is there and you are saying chaitanya is abheda iti chet uchyate. On this page 4 number tippani, घटादेर विषयस्य प्रमात्र भिन्नत्वं प्रत्यक्षत्वं. That is easy, that you just connect where that 4 number is given. घटादेः विषयस्य प्रमेयस्य प्रमात्र भिन्नत्वं प्रत्यक्षत्वं. This is the our definition. Okay. In टीका प्रमात्र अभेदो नाम घटादेश तदवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य च ऐक्यं न विवक्षितम् येन विरोधः स्यात् अपि अपितु अन्यदेव. When it is said प्रमात्र अभेदो घटादेः तदवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य च ऐक्यं, when it is said ऐक्यं means what? ऐक्यं न विवक्षितम्, चैतन्यस्य च ऐक्यं न विवक्षितम्. When we say घटावच्छिन्न chaitanya and pramatravachchinna chaitanya, they become one, means aikyam is not said here. If you say aikyam yena virodha syat, then virodha could have been there. Apitu anyadeva, anyadeva, how will you complete the vakya? Anyadeva vivakshitam. Tadabhinnatvam iti samadhatte. Not aikyam, but abhinnatvam. So now aikya means only one. Abhinna means they are not different. Iti samadhatte, uchyate. And what is meant, you see, uchyate in moolam. Pramatra abhedo nama na tadaikyam. They are not one. Then kintu pramatra satta atirikta sattakatva abhava. Prameya does not have satta different from pramata satta. Pramatra satta atirikta sattakatvam prameyasya na. This is the moola bhava. One number tippani we have to see. We'll just read one portion in टीका. You see, प्रमात्र सत्ता इत्यस्य प्रमात्र लक्षण सत्ता इत्यर्थः. प्रमात्र सत्ता means प्रमात्र लक्षण सत्ता. Pramata lakshana satta and prameya, they don't have different satta. In other words, think, I'll just give you concept for now. Ghata is adhyastha in Chaitanya. Pramata is also adhyastha in Chaitanya. Chaitanya atirikta satta, Ghata does not have. And Chaitanya Atirikta Satta, Pramata also doesn't have. But Pramata's Adhishthanam is that Kutastha Chaitanya. So there, both of them are Adhyastha in that Satta. This is what is mentioned here by the word Pramatra Satta Atirikta Satta Katva Abhava, by this. So we will have to see this in detail in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.